Move over, ROG Flow 13. A new Strix Halo powerhouse is about to crash the scene, and it's hitting Kickstarter with a price tag that's raising eyebrows across the gaming world. Meet the OneXPlayer Super X, a portable rig that might just redefine what handheld PC gaming can be. Stunning performance, aggressive pricing, liquid cooling optional, and specs that almost feel illegal at this size. If you thought 2025 had reached its peak for gaming tablets, think again. OneXPlayer is officially launching the Super X on Kickstarter on December 11, 2025. Powered by AMD's fearsome Strix Halo APUs, this Windows gaming tablet is shaping up to be one of the most capable handheld systems ever announced. And here's where things get wild. Early bird pricing starts at $1,899 for the Ryzen AI Max 385 model, complete with 32 GB of RAM and a full terabyte of storage. Upgrade to the Ryzen AI Max Plus 395, and for just $1,999, you're jumping to a massive 48 GB of RAM while keeping that 1 TB SSD. Yes, 48 gigs in a tablet. To put things into perspective, ASUS's ROG Flow Z13 with the same Strix Halo chip and the same storage, but only 32 gigs of memory, usually retails for $2,299. Even on sale, it still sits above $2,100. The Super X isn't just competitive, it's undercutting one of the category's biggest players and doing it with stronger memory options. And for cooling enthusiasts, OneXPlayer is also offering a liquid-cooled version. Early bird pricing starts at $1,959, while the liquid-cooled Max Plus 395 variant lands at $2,059. Just remember, these prices are Kickstarter exclusives. Once the campaign wraps, retail pricing climbs higher. But pricing isn't the Super X's only angle. Display-wise, OneXPlayer is using a 13.4-inch IPS panel. Meanwhile, ASUS equips the Flow Z13 with a 14-inch OLED. In side-by-side comparisons, the OLED unsurprisingly pops with richer contrast, but the IPS panel on the Super X still appears color-accurate, bright, and tuned for gaming performance. OneXPlayer has been showing off performance clips, too. Tests of the Max Plus 395 configuration highlight smooth gameplay driven by AMD's Radeon 8060S integrated graphics. Early footage suggests we're looking at one of the strongest iGPU-driven portable gaming experiences yet.